Hey everybody! I am going to attempt to recreate a pride look that I did for last year's parade in our area. We're going to the parade today, so I'm going to try and do a rainbow look, go really extra with it. I'm using 6 colors, so I'm going to do 3 on either side. I'm going to try not to talk while I'm doing it, but basically I'm looking at where the dividing line is, and then I'm going to start with the middle colors, so it should be red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. I'm going to start in the middle and try to divide it as I go out. I've got some really fun rainbow eyelashes. I do have a door open back here on purpose because I'm going to have to walk in and out of this room a lot. What else to tell you? Let's just go. See what happens. This is shimmery here, which is why I look so shiny. It looks like a powder isn't going to tone it down, so I'm just going to leave it. I decided to go straight across this year. I don't know, I just like the way it looks, and I wanted to do it a little differently. Now I'm afraid to like build up the color because I don't want it to go below that. Also, it's hot, so I'm gonna like sweat and have to wipe it off. But let's see what else I can build up here. Stayed on all day last year, I think, until I just got tired of them. I'm noticing that they don't really follow the rainbow exactly, but the purple is kind of on the inside. However, this is the right lash, like the right versus left lash, so I gotta put it over here. So it's not exact, but I mean, it's fine. Glue. giant ones very often, so now's the time. I just got these, I think I got these on either at Amazon or just in like a Target. I've never tried it with the glue before. They do have some adhesive, but they did also slide off a lot last year, so maybe the glue will help. My hair is frizzy today, and I have this like rainbowy headband, and I realized the gems kind of look like a crown, so like what if I just plop this in there? There we go. What lip color should I do? I do have enough colors to do a rainbow lip, but it's gonna come off like relatively quickly. I'm gonna go for it because why not? I have all the colors. I wasn't lying when I said this. I have a little bit of time. These are Ever liquid lipsticks. They're from a company called wemakeup. They're from Italy, but here in the US, were still affordable. They were like $11, I think. I did do a rainbow lip one other time. It went very well. It took a while though. So I'm gonna stop this video, restart one, and do this. Okay, same thing. I'm gonna divide it in the middle and work my way out. It's not gonna take much, right? So I'm gonna wipe off the brush and just touch it. I could overline my lip and do like a drag inspired thing, but I know how to do this, so I'm just gonna do it. I will clean up the edges with a brush as we get more pigment on here. I need to go back and do the 4 in the middle, I believe. My lips are kind of dry, like already, like before I put this on, so it's probably gonna crack a lot, but oh well, I'm trying. Actually, while this dries, I'm gonna go to the opposite side and do the blue. The blue doesn't need much. This is a lot of work. They're not completely even, but that's okay. I did kind of want more sparkle. So I'm gonna touch that up, I think. It just calls for glitter, right? Alright, I think I'm as glittery and as rainbowy as I can possibly be. I'm gonna just spray it all down with an e.l.f. setting spray. I'm gonna spray the crap out of it just to try and make it stay. I'm gonna go take some pictures, and then I'm going to, I'll do an after shot at the end, obviously, and we'll see how much of it actually stays. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. So this is me after it rained a lot. All of my gems came off, but the lashes are still on. The most of the eyeshadow is still on. I got a ton of free stuff from the parade, and all in all, it was great. Let me see what time it is. I'm an idiot. I'm filming on my camera and the time is on my phone. Just a minute. I don't know why that matters for me to say. So, do you think it looks natural enough? I mean, I tried really hard to match my skin tone here, so like, you know, trust the process. My cat managed to find me still. and ask for food, so hold on. Why are these so... They're like covered in powder.